Aloha everyone, come along and join us in our treasure harvest in our garden. Here we have our sweet potato bag. It's a grow bag that's made for potatoes. So as we uncover it, my husband is searching through it to see how many we got this year in this bag. And after sorting through the soil, he found about 3 large ones. There were a couple of teeny tiny ones, but nothing that was edible. So next he grabbed his ginger container and removed all the dry leaves and emptied it out into the wheelbarrow. And when he emptied it out, there was a couple of frogs that were hopping around. We tried to catch them, but they were just too fast. So here is the ginger that he's sorting through. And in the end, it was a very good harvest. So our wheelbarrow was filled with soil from our sweet potato and ginger. So we got our faithful steel container and empty 3 medium-sized container of turmeric that my husband was growing. So he sorted through them and was very fortunate this year to have a successful harvest of turmeric. We'll be taking our ginger and turmeric and dehydrating them to make turmeric powder and ginger powder. And here is a bonus recipe to make a sweet potato dip. Very easy and limited amount of ingredients. So enjoy and see you in our next video.